So today's outline will be first we'll discuss about what is IRAC method, long form of it, like basics, the technicalities of IRAC method, and then we'll go into the main discussion about each of the IRAC individual topic. And then I'll give you guys one example and we'll work out through it so that you will get to know how it happens in practical answer writing. So starting issue, reasoning, analysis, conclusion. This is just the long form of IRAC. So that you, I've just put this slide so that you won't feel anything that is foreign, like what is IRAC and what are we discussing about. So IRAC is a short form, which means that it is issue, reasoning, analysis, and conclusion. What is IRAC? IRAC is a writing method, and it is a preferable writing method for the competitive examinations where the questions are asked. So the questions are in the format in which the answer should be in a paragraph manner. Okay, so part B of NLSAT and mains examination of UPSC and any other exam which has which you have to write, the answer you have to write will be in the paragraph format. So it is a preferable writing method. Why is it preferable? That we'll discuss. Okay, judgments of the Supreme Court and High Courts, even the trial court judgments mostly are in this method, but mm, so many of you won't get a chance to see those judgments many often. So I've mentioned just High Courts and Supreme Court judgments are written in this format. So you can say that IRAC is the most preferable legal method of writing. When you're writing anything legal, you should prefer this method over anything else, because even Supreme Court writes in this method. Any judgment of Supreme Court is in this method only. Why should you use IRAC? That will be a genuine question in minds of many of you, that why are we focusing on this method and why are we having one complete session of classes on this method? Because this method is better in many ways, the few of which are listed here. It helps you to express your thoughts in better way. When you have some skeleton, when you have some structure in your mind that I'm going to write my answer in this manner, it is uh, it is helpful for you that it will encompass all your thoughts in your answer. So if you have an answer in your mind and you are facing a problem or struggle to expressing that answer in your on your paper, this method or having a method in itself will help you, or will help you in improving your answer. This method provides a structural skeleton to an answer. Your answer is not vague, or it doesn't go to any to all the stretches or boundaries to a paper. It had some skeleton, it had some structure. And when the answer has a structure, it will most probably will contain in the prescribed page limit plus prescribed time limit. When you know the method to do something, when you know the uh, DIY procedure of something, it is uh, preferably you are going to land on a better ground than rest of the people. This method is likely that you won't miss any thoughts to convert into answer. As I told, that if you have some thoughts in your mind and you are either struggling to express them, or you are not able to get those thoughts, all of those thoughts on your paper, this method is likely help you in getting all your thoughts. So if you have so many thoughts in your mind while writing an answer, so what happens if you look at general psychology? Like, we have given so many exams till now, 10th board, 12th board examination, and so many examinations till date, like you are giving graduation examinations as of now. So what we do generally is, when we are reading one question, we have some thoughts in our mind. And so what some people prefer, like suppose me. So if I'm reading a question and I'm having thoughts, I'll just jot down those thoughts, note it down on some rough part of the paper. Like, this is my thought, this is my thought in 2 3 words. And when I'm writing an answer, I'll try to get all those points in my answer. But how will I get it those in my answer? There should be a head, body, and tail. Na? So this method is the body format, head, body, tail format of your answer. It is likely that you won't miss any of the point which you have mentioned in rough, or which you just have it in your mind, if you follow this method. And the last one is, it most importantly is the important most important for addition of this method, is that there is a chance of you getting more marks than your competition. Remember, NLSAT exam is all about competition. You have to score more marks than your peers. You have to do your best. At the same time, you have to do best or better than others, so that you will get into this college. So most importantly, if you follow this writing method, there are more chances that you will get good marks.